In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add call forwarding to Close CRM phone number. Call forwarding is perfect when you want incoming calls to your Close number to ring on a different phone, like your mobile or a desk line. I'll walk you through where to find the setting, what to look for, and a few practical tips so you can set it up confidently. First, open the Close web app and head to your inbox. This is a reliable starting point because the navigation menu you need is easily accessible from here. On the lower left of the screen, locate the settings area. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a gear icon or a labeled settings link. Click it to open your account and workspace options. Inside settings, select phone and voicemail. This section houses all of your telephony-related controls, including numbers, voicemail, and forwarding. It's the central place to manage how calls are routed in Close. On the phone and voicemail page, look for your Close phone number. If you see a number listed, you can configure it by clicking Edit. This opens the settings specific to that number. If your organization uses shared lines, you might also see those here. Keep in mind that editing shared numbers can require the right permissions. If the Edit button isn't available, check with your admin to ensure you have access. If you don't see any phone number in this section, forwarding can't be set yet. You'll need to have a Close number assigned or provisioned to you or your workspace before the forwarding option appears. Once a number is present, the edit controls will be available for configuration. When you're in the edit view for your number, look for the forwarding option. This is where you specify the destination phone number that should receive calls originally made to your Close number. Enter the number carefully. Using the full international format can help avoid issues and confirm it's a line that can accept calls reliably. Keep in mind that forwarding routes live calls, so make sure the destination is reachable and has coverage. After entering the number, click Save. Your changes apply to that Close number, and future calls to it will follow the new forwarding rule you just set. That's all there is to it. To recap, go to Inbox, open Settings, choose Phone and Voicemail, edit your existing Close number, then set the forwarding destination and save. You can return to the same place anytime to update or remove forwarding as your needs change.